been dry across the valley today. Sunshine should return tomorrow with very few clouds. So we're setting up for what should be a fairly dry stretch of weather the next few days across the valley. Rain chances are pretty much near zero most of the time, but highs back in the 90s, could touch 100 from about McAllen off to the west tomorrow in the Starr County, and then still mainly dry this week. There are tiny shower chances that occasionally pop up, but nothing even close to the storms that we had around parts of the valley yesterday. Right now it's 99 in McAllen. It's come back down a little bit. It was over 100 degrees. 93 in Brownsville, even that's cooled off from the mid to upper 90s where it was this afternoon. So it is a hot day around the valley. 97 the temperature in Edinburgh. The winds are actually from the north. I did hear we had a phone call that said, is there a cold front? Well, no, not really. We've had some northerly winds since yesterday, but kind of the way the airflow is set up, there was an area of high pressure up to the north that's kind of forced down the northerly winds, but it's still a kind of a hot wind overall. It's just not quite as humid, so no cold front, but a light northerly wind and a small dip in the humidity. Your evening planner, temperatures go from about the low 90s or so at 7 p.m. through the 80s by 9 o'clock, and because the humidity is a little bit lower, mainly in the upper 70s by 11 p.m. and could drop down into about the low 70s very late tonight with mainly clear skies around and light winds overnight. You see the satellite radar, and again, everything's kind of flowing from north to south. The upper level winds also have been more from the north, so all the showers and storms we had yesterday have been pushed off to the south and southeast. But the sea breeze still trying to spark a shower. It's possible we might get a little shower pop up here early this afternoon and early this evening across with the sea breeze moving into the lower valley. But you might get a little sprinkle or two, but we'll continue to check on that. As far as future track goes, it shows basically nothing most of this evening and tonight with mostly clear skies around. Temperatures overnight, as you saw, will cool at least into the low 70s under clear skies. But tomorrow, sunshine's back again, probably even more sun than today with fewer clouds in the sky and temperatures well into the 90s nearly everywhere. And then Thursday is a day when the air overall is still dry, but some of the models here hinting at maybe just enough moisture along the sea breeze and with maybe a weak disturbance to the north to help trigger a small chance for a quick little shower somewhere on Thursday. But you see how few and far between they are. Willing to bet that almost no place will see rain, but if you do, maybe a very quick light rain shower that amounts to no more than maybe 1/10 of an inch of rain or less. Friday's the day too when it should be mainly dry and sunny, so we're looking for temperatures to warm back into the 90s again on Friday. So rain chances dry tomorrow, 10% on Thursday, and that might even be aiming high. Very little chance for rain on Thursday, and then Friday back to dry weather. So the first 1-5 forecast tonight, clear skies and not too humid, so lows get down to about 72 late tonight with light northerly winds overnight, and then tomorrow back up to about 98 with mainly sunny skies and dry weather around northerly winds at 5 to 15 miles per hour. And the first 1-5 70 forecast, temperatures aren't going too much up or down anytime soon. High is about 96 on Thursday, 97 on Friday, but each day that's going to range from close to 90 at the coast, about 100 to 102 or so in Starr County. By the weekend, some of the models hint at maybe a weak upper level disturbance in the area that could trigger a small chance for an afternoon shower. So kind of watch Saturday and Sunday. Probably going to be dry, but if that 1 or 2 models are right, there might be enough moisture just to squeak out a couple of showers briefly in the afternoon. And then mainly dry weather continues next week with highs still in the mid to upper 90s. So we'll keep an eye on the hot temperatures headed your way in your first 1-5 forecast coming up.